Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic, digestive system. Digestive system. In digestive system there is a conversion of complex food into simple and absorption of food is known as digestion. The system that the system that performs the process of digestion is known as digestive system. Digestive system simply break down of food into nutrients. There are various stages of digestion, such as ingestion, ingestion, population, digestion, of absorption, excretion. In ingestion, receiving of food, uh, in population, movement of food, in digestion there is a mechanism and chemical breakdown of food. In absorption there is a absorption of various nutrients in the stomach. In excretion there is a removal and excretion of food. Part of digestive system. Digestive system mainly contain gastrointestinal tract, digestive gland, and also has accessory gland. There is a major organ in the gastrointestinal tract are mouth, pharynx, larynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. In mouth is also known as oral cavity or buccal cavity. It is the first part of gastrointestinal tract. It is surrounded by upper and lower lip. The mouth mainly consists of lips, cheeks, gum, teeth, salivary gland, and tongue. Then there is a teeth. Teeth mainly perform mechanical digestion. Uh, uh, there is a breakdown of food into smaller pieces. There is a total 32 teeth in our mouth. Then there tongue. Tongue lies on the floor of mouth. It attach with hyoid bone. It contains taste receptors. Pharynx. It is a muscular tube-like structure. It is also known as throat. Uh, the, the pharynx is further divided into three parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Esophagus. It is also known as food pipe. It is lies between trachea, in, uh, in front, and urethral column at back. No digestion takes place in esophagus as digestive enzymes are absent. Esophagus open into stomach. Stomach. It is a L-shaped pouch-like structure. It lies between side of abdominal cavity. It secretes gastric juice into bolus and convert into uh, chyme. Parts of stomach. Uh, Stomach can be further divided into four parts such as cardiac, fundus, body, and pylorus. Cardiac. It is the uppermost part of stomach. It is attached with lower end of esophagus. It contains cardiac sphincters. It prevents backflow of food from stomach to esophagus. Fundus. It is also the upper part of stomach. Fundus contains special type of cell known as shape cell and body. Body of stomach. It lies in the central region of stomach. It is the longest part of stomach. It digests protein, food, and uh, store store food until it reaches into small intestine. Pylorus. Pylorus is the lower part of stomach. It connected with duodenum and small intestine. There are various functions of stomach such as store of food for the long time, and after that it passes to small intestine slowly. It provides enough time for digestion and absorption of food in small intestine. It stomach help help in chemical breakdown of food. It produce HCl. Uh, it produces HCl, which causes easily breakdown of food. Gastric juice mainly help in the digestion of protein. Uh, Gastric juice mainly help the digestion of proteins. Uh, it secretes mucus that protect the stomach from HCl. Small intestine. Small intestine is the site of final digestion of food. It is a long and narrow tube whose upper part is attached to stomach, while lower part is attached to large intestine. It is about 6 to 7 meter long. It is the site measure of absorption and digestion. It is further divided into three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Duodenum. Duodenum accepts only alkaline food. It is the shortest and widest part of small intestine. It receives bile juice, pancreatic juice, and food from liver, pancreas, and stomach respectively. Uh, Jejunum. It is about 4 to 8 feet long. It is a major site for absorption of sugar, amino acid, and fatty acids. The final breakdown of food completes in the jejunum. It secretes intestinal juice. Ileum. It is the last part of small intestine. Connect with the first part of large intestine. It is about 10 to 11 feet long. It is the largest section of small intestine. Uh, Large intestine. Large intestine, it starts from ileum and end on rectum. It approx 1.5 meter long. It's mainly absorb water from digestive food. It further divided into five parts. Uh, Sesame, ascending column, descending column, transverse column, sigmoid column, rectum. It stores the remaining waste of food and open outside through the anus. It is the final portion of the gastrointestinal sac. The undigested and unabsorbed food get thrown out of the body from the anus.